All right, let's dive into the top 13 work-from-home data entry jobs that don't necessitate a college degree or verbal communication. These roles are typically straightforward to enter and require no prior experience. First on the list is the position of an image review clerk. In this role, individuals ensure the accuracy and quality of images, often in settings like government agencies or private companies. It's akin to being a digital art curator, with every image requiring meticulous scrutiny. This job caters to detail-oriented individuals seeking remote work without the need for advanced degrees. Image review clerks typically earn between $39,000 and $54,000 annually. While not a career path, it's an excellent entry point for gaining experience. I rate this opportunity a 7 out of 10. Next up is the role of a risk research specialist, where individuals analyze data to assess various risks for financial institutions or insurance companies. This well-paying job, earning between $75,000 to $124,000 annually, often requires some prior experience. While a college degree may not be necessary, companies typically prefer candidates with relevant experience. I rate this opportunity an 8.5 out of 10. Moving on to the records coordinator position, individuals in this role meticulously organize and maintain electronic and paper records. Commonly found in sectors like healthcare and education, they ensure efficient storage, retrieval, and compliance of records. Records coordinators typically earn between $42,000 to $60,000 annually. This role is accessible without a college degree and can be entered relatively easily. Consider pursuing online certifications in fields like medical coding or health information management to bolster your qualifications. I rate this opportunity a 7.5 out of 10. The next opportunity we're exploring is freelance transcription. While transcription might not be the most glamorous job, it's widely regarded as one of the easiest ways to earn money online. Many people have reported making decent income from transcription gigs found on various platforms like Reddit. In this role, you can expect to earn approximately $41,000 to $61,000 annually. While it may not be a long-term career choice, it's relatively easy to land such jobs. I'd rate this opportunity a 7.5 out of 10. Translation is closely related to transcription and offers another avenue for online earning. For instance, B-Beast notably expanded his reach by translating and dubbing his videos into multiple languages, significantly boosting his popularity. Translation work, especially for YouTube channels, can be lucrative. If you're interested in starting your own YouTube channel and earning directly from it, check out the free training linked in the description or pinned comment below. Translation work earns an 8 out of 10 opportunity score. Another opportunity is chart retrieval specialist, where individuals meticulously collect and manage medical records from healthcare providers to ensure accuracy and security. These specialists are typically employed by hospitals, clinics, and insurance companies, earning around $41,000 to $57,000 annually. It's relatively easy to find job postings in this field, earning it a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. Moving on to scouting for D-Scout, which entails exploring user experience and participating in product testing. An individual on Reddit shared earning $2,700 on D-Scout by completing missions, paying between $25 and $150 each. While more of a side gig than a full-time occupation, it can supplement income when done part-time. These roles generally do not mandate a college degree or previous experience, making them accessible to many. I'd give this opportunity a rating of 6 out of 10. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Another avenue to consider is becoming a remote chat operator, where you engage with customers via text to handle customer service inquiries and sales. Chat operators typically earn around $36,000 to $58,000 annually and are commonly found in e-commerce, retail, telecom, and other service industries. This role is relatively straightforward to enter and often does not require a college degree or prior experience, warranting an 8 out of 10 opportunity score. Moving forward, we encounter data specialists tasked with extracting, managing, and analyzing data, as well as generating reports and maintaining databases across various sectors such as tech, finance, healthcare, and retail. With salaries ranging from $52,000 to $85,000 per year, these positions usually favor candidates with some relevant work experience or a background in statistics or data-related fields. Although a college degree may not be mandatory, proficiency in data visualization and programming languages like Python or R can be advantageous. Additionally, having a portfolio to showcase your skills can boost your prospects. I'd rate this opportunity an 8.5 out of 10. Next, there's the position of a payment posting specialist, responsible for meticulously processing and reconciling payments to ensure accuracy and efficiency in financial transactions. Typically employed in the financial and healthcare sectors, these specialists earn approximately $39,000 to $55,000 annually. Similar to other roles mentioned, this position is relatively accessible and may not necessarily require a college degree or prior experience, earning it an 8 out of 10 opportunity score. Next on the list is the order entry specialist, tasked with accurately entering customer information into a database. With an annual salary ranging from $38,000 to $52,000, this position typically does not mandate a college degree or prior experience, making it accessible for entry. I'll present some opportunities on the screen for those intrigued. Overall, I'd rate this opportunity as a 7 out of 10. Shifting gears to the data integration specialist, this role involves organizing messy data into a coherent structure to provide actionable insights for organizations. These specialists earn between $90,000 to $137,000 per year and are pivotal in industries like healthcare, finance, and retail. While not always entry-level, this position may not require a college degree. Proficiency in tools such as Informatica, Talend, SQL, Oracle, MySQL, Python, or R can be advantageous. Despite being more challenging to break into, I'd assign it a 9 out of 10 opportunity score. Next, we encounter the sports data operator, a role reminiscent of the concept portrayed in the movie Moneyball. In this capacity, individuals attend sports events, gather live data, and furnish real-time information for sports analytics companies, teams, or betting platforms. With an annual salary ranging from $47,000 to $75,000, this role may necessitate some entry-level experience or an internship, but not necessarily a college degree. Familiarity with tools like Python, R, or SQL is advantageous. I'll showcase some job opportunities on the screen for those interested. Overall, I'd rate this opportunity an 8.5 out of 10. If you loved this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.